red-nosed reindeer. Alrighty, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with his face, and we're gonna draw it right around here. He's got a bit of an oval face, but we can't forget his antlers. So there's the top of his head right about there. And what we're gonna do is draw his funny antlers, just like this. One here, and another one there. Because Rudolph's a bit of a baby, you know. At least he is in the cartoon that I know him from. So then we're gonna bring the top of his head down here like this. And then we're gonna give him some funny ears, just like this. Give a bit of furry bit there like that. Alrighty, and then his face gonna come down here like this, and then we'll bring it around like this, just like that, and then right back up again like this. Very good. And let's draw his other ear here like this. There we go. Bit of a furry bit in there again like that. Oh, I like it. And then we'll texture it out like this, and then over here like that. Very good, everybody. This is looking nice. Now let's give Rudolph some big eyes. He's got some big eyes, doesn't he? One there, and the other one we'll bring her eye around here like this, and like that. This is looking nice. And he's got some big pupils, he does. Give a bit of a highlight here, and there, just like that. Now let's not forget his nose. That's the red nose he's gonna need. That's right. And he's got a smile, of course, right about there. There we go. And let's give him a little bit of fun texture here, just for fun like that. Alrighty, that looking good. That's looking very good. Alright, now we're gonna bring his neck down like this. Yeah, there we go. Reindeer have like pretty long necks, I would guess. Alright, and then his bum will come back around like that. There we go. Now we can draw a hind leg in here just like this. And down here, and give him a hoof just there like that. Very nice. A little bit of furry bit there, and bring that on up like that. Very nice. Now let's bring his tummy in around here like this. And then we can bring his front legs in here just like this. Little furry bits again. A hoof. There we go. Looking nice. Bring the leg on up again. And then we'll give him his front of his chest there, just like that. Give a little furry bit just for fun. Maybe continue that around here like that. Looking nice, everybody. Now let's bring this leg down here just like this. There we go. And another hoof right about here. We'll put that just behind this one. There we go. That's nice. And we'll just finish it off with another back leg down here on the back end of him. There we go. This is looking really good, everybody. Now we're just gonna throw some furry bits in here like this. There. Little bits of fun there. There we go, looking nice. Let's not forget the tail he's got. A bit of furry bits there. Alrighty. Looking good, everybody. It's Rudolph. He's almost done. We'll give him another furry bit right about there. Okie dokie, everybody. Merry Christmas. Let's get to the color. Rudolph has brown fur, red nose and mouth, black eyes and antlers, gray hoofs. Thanks, everyone.